Hey, it's Mopar Keith today, or Chris and I were joking about, you could call me K10 Keith. So 1970 K10. We decided because of the complexity of the masking, and the truck is going to be black with a white center, we decided to shoot the whole entire thing with K36 sealer, 2 coats of that, then 2 coats of ShopLine or PPG ShopLine acrylic enamel. That's basically what the factory would have shot it as also. Now this is going to have a red dash, red panels. I don't know what carpet, but I know it's going to have like a red headliner and red door panels and red steering wheel and steering column. It's going to have white on the center area right in here. But we're going to color sand or block and wet sand the outside of the truck and then shoot that in base coat, clear coat. Once again, because of the complexity of masking and everything, we'll just shoot it all entirely in acrylic enamel now. We'll let this dry for a week, get it off the rotisserie, and then we can we'll shoot the doors and the fenders and the hood and all that. So once again, acrylic enamel, so a little bit of orange peel, but this laid out really nice. Watch for more.